session we are going to look at advanced filter. So already we have a filter. Then what we are going to do with the advanced filter? So using advanced filter, in case if you want to filter set of criteria, you can give that criteria in the specific range. So selecting those criteria, you can directly filter only to whatever criteria which you selected. So let's look at it. So this is my data, the where I have date, country, brand, product, region, quantity and sales. Okay, so where is my criteria? So this is my criteria. Okay, so my criteria I have chosen only country, brand, product, region. Okay, assume I need to filter this data. So how difficult it is? Okay, so assume this data used by one specific person, okay, specific team. Okay, I need to filter this data. It's difficult to filter, right? Because we have to filter 4 criteria and 4 into 4, 16 times we have to do filter to filter this data. Okay, let's do it manually. I'll show you. Then let's see how we can do in automatic way. Okay, the first criteria, Australia, LG, Smart TV, East. So filter Australia, LG, Smart TV, and the last one is East. So this is my first data. Let me copy and let me paste it in the new workbook. And the second criteria, Canada, Samsung, tablet, West. Now I'm going to filter using auto filter, which I have in the quick access toolbar. So now Canada, so because since it's in 7th place, I'm going to press Alt 7. Canada, Samsung, tablet, West. Samsung, tablet, West. So now I have selected this. Let me copy this. Then again I'll paste in the new sheet. Okay. Now third criteria, China, HP, laptop, North. So China, HP, laptop, North. This is my third criteria. Let me copy and paste in the bottom. And the fourth criteria, Hong Kong, Apple, laptop, East. Hong Kong, Apple, laptop, East. So if you see, I'll copy this, I'll paste in the bottom. So now I got the total data. So what is my total? Let's look at it. So 10845,029. Now we have 4 column and 4 rows. So 16 times we did the filter. Okay. So instead of this, how can I filter everything at one shot? So there advanced filter will be useful. So using advanced filter, you can have set of criteria in one place. By selecting the criteria, you can filter only those selected item in the data. Okay, let's see. So first, for advanced filter, before you apply, select the data. Go to data and then choose advanced filter. In filter, we have option called advanced. Just choose that. So advanced filter, first we have 2 options. The first option is filter in place and copy to another location. Filter in place is nothing but wherever you have data, the filter will happen only in that area. Okay, copy to another location in case you already have the criteria. So those criteria you want to copy paste in separate sheet or separate places, or you can use copy to another location. Let's start with the first option, filter in place. I want to filter everything here itself. So filter in place. So already it has selected the range. So A122975 and criteria. So my criteria ranges. Let me go to advanced filter. Select it. This is my criteria. Okay. Just press OK. That's it. So now let's see the total. 10,845,029. Same total we have here, 10,845,029. So here also, if you see the status bar, we have the same total, 10,845,029. Okay, so instead of doing the filter for each and everything, okay, so we did everything in one shot. Okay, so now let me clear the filter. So now we have seen filter in place. Now let's see how to copy to another location. So select the data, advanced filter. So now I'm going to use second option, copy to another location. So now the list of range is remains same. So A12 and G29785, and the criteria ranges. This is my criteria. I want to filter only this, and copy to. So I want to copy here. I'll select K1. I want to copy the data in K1. Okay. So now if you see, I got the data. Let me apply some 10,845,029. So it's perfectly matching. Okay. You can also copy the data to different sheet, but here when you use advanced filter, two things you have to be very clear. The first one, whatever the field name you have in the data, the same field name should match with the criteria range as well. So here if you have country, so here also you should have country. Here if you have brand, here also you should have brand. Okay, if there is a gap in the name, then it will not work, because the first criteria itself, first criteria for the advanced filter itself, it will match only by the name. So whatever name you give in the data, same name you should give for the criteria as well. This is the first option. Second option, wherever you want to paste the data, so you have to apply the advanced filter only from that sheet. In case I want to apply advanced filter, I want to copy the data into this sheet. Okay, so then I have to apply advanced filter only from this sheet, otherwise it will not work. Let me show you. So I have selected the data. So now I'm going to apply advanced filter, and I want to paste the data in different sheet. So copy to another location. My criteria is this. Let me choose this. This is my criteria, and then copy to. So let me go to advanced filter. I want to copy here. See, it will not allow. Okay. So if you see, we don't have any data here. So, but now I'm going to apply the same advanced filter from this sheet. Wherever you want data, just apply the advanced filter from that sheet. Data, advanced filter. Copy to another location. So now list of range. Let's go and select the data. Okay, then criteria range. Delete, and I'll apply this. This is my criteria range. And copy to range. I want to copy here. Okay. Now I got it. See, 10,845,029. So there is another trick as well. So now when I apply advanced filter, so whatever the column I have in the filter, I'm getting everything from date to sales. Everything I'm getting based on the criteria range. Okay, based on whatever criteria I have, I'm getting the entire data. I don't want entire data. Okay, assume I want country, brand, product, sales, only these 4 columns. Okay, so let me take country, brand, product, sales. I want only these 4 columns. Okay, let me do advanced filter now. Data. So whatever column you want, just keep the column separately, and the column name should match with the data. Let's apply advanced filter. Data. Keep cursor on the data, then apply. I don't know, there's some error I'm getting it. Let's check. Not sure what error. Let me try from here. So now it's coming. copy to another location, list of range, select the range. This is my data, select along with header and the criteria range, delete and choose whatever criteria you have, and then copy to location. So copy to location, so generally we choose one blank cell, right? If you choose blank cell, you will get all the column which you have in the data. But what I want is, I want only the column which are appear here. Okay, I want only the selected column, country, brand, product, sales. So instead of selecting blank cell, choose the column header. So if you do this, so you will get only that particular column information instead of all the information. Okay, so if you want all the data, you can either choose blank cell. If you want only the specific data, so then instead of choosing blank cell, just select the field, column field. So only you will get only those column fields as a result. Okay, and also in advanced filter we have unique data filter. Let's look at that as well. Data, advanced. Okay, so here you have option called unique record only in the bottom. Okay, to do that, so let me choose filter in place. So when you use unique record only, you have to choose only one column. Let me choose product. So there is no criteria range, just click unique record only. So if you go up, so you will have only unique record in that particular column. In product, these are the unique record. Okay, remove filter, and then in case I want unique record in column I. Okay, so data, advanced filter, copy to another location, list of range. Here I'll choose a brand, and the criteria nothing, copy to, I'll choose I, then I'll choose only unique record. See here, I got all the unique record in the column I. So this is advanced filter. So this will be very useful in our day-to-day process. So it will also reduce your time when you do when you prepare report or when you do analysis. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in another video. Bye bye.